यहाँ पे राइट साइड ड्राइविंग होती है।
I like
Lassi. Communication is different because they speak it Russian.
Very strong.
Pre-workout. Somebody watching me. पैर है पैर। ये हमारा डे टू है और बहुत गर्मी है भाई, बाहर बहुत गर्मी है। ठीक है, मुझे यहाँ से मैं जा रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा मार्केट एक्सप्लोर करने, खाने पीने की मार्केट है और मेट्रो भी लेंगे, आपको थोड़ी मेट्रो दिखाऊंगा, यहाँ के लोकल बस भी लेंगे। और ये थोड़ा मेरे बाहर का व्यू है, बाहर का कुछ ऐसा दिखता है। बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगा रखी है, लेकिन मुझे सनस्क्रीन भी चाहिए मुझे, मतलब हालत टाइट हुई पड़ी है, समझ रहे हो ना, हालत टाइट जिसे कहते हैं। वी गो दिस साइड इज़ बस स्टैंड, दिस इज़ बस and then take a metro.
Perfect.
Okay, you have your card?
A what?
Your card?
My visa?
Yeah.
You mean? Yeah.
Because need
Yeah, you
to.
can pay with this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yesterday, so many people helped me,
Yeah.
but they have no means communication is different because they speak it Russian and I'm just speak English. So just just
We can try to learn,
Just
but
try.
it's not easy though.
yeah. No.
Can we cross it? Yeah. Yeah, you do it in India all the time, right? What is the red light? What is the green light?
No, same. I see yesterday local person, so he just go. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no cars. It's the same, right?
If you want sunscreen, I have.
No, I don't use it anymore.
No?
No. Like, if I'm cycling, I use sleeves. But the
Ah,
sunscreen, I
black
need to
black
apply
black
it.
sleeve.
Yeah.
Oh, same guy. Hello.
Does he remember you?
Yeah, but a different way. Hello. Yesterday's another person, and he together helped me yesterday.
Oh, that's
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
What was this about? Like for finding the bus?
Just here, and you any bus coming, so they are going to Tashkent metro.
Yeah,
Any
because
bus.
it's not in English or what?
No. Just sitting, not speaking.
Oh yeah.
Just sitting, tap the card and just wait. ये देखो सामने एक मार्केट है, मैं इसमें गया नहीं हूँ, बट अच्छी लग रही है मार्केट। और ये रोड है, देखो इतनी चौड़ी चौड़ी रोड है, अलग ही। यहाँ पे राइट साइड ड्राइविंग होती है और लेफ़्ट साइड इसका स्टीयरिंग है। बढ़िया। यहाँ पे ये जो तुम मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो, ये एक तरह से बस स्टॉप है इसका, यहाँ लोग वेट करते हैं। और ज़्यादा रुपए नहीं है, मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ अराउंड मेरे ख्याल से 64 रुपये 50 रुपये समथिंग में ट्रांसपोर्ट लगेंगे, बस में लगेंगे, और फिर हम वहाँ चले जाएंगे।
What is the name of your channel?
माई नेम इज़ चार्ल, फेमस फिट ट्रैवलर।
Okay. And
Famous?
it's on YouTube.
यूट्यूब।
And on Instagram?
No,
What's the
no
name?
Instagram, no
You
Instagram.
don't have Instagram?
I have Instagram, but I'm just use my for coaching.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
training.
yeah.
Instagram is very hectic. I'm not download Instagram in my phone. I'm just my tablet. So tablet in just sometime open and see,
Yeah,
because Instagram is very hectic. You
Yeah.
going some one notification, but you stuck with the reels
Yeah.
and then slowly you compare yourself to another person.
Yeah.
Because you see, oh, good life, very good life, and you not achieve this, so you self doubt, you have a self doubt, what I do, this is my life, I'm not going to, I feel this. Yeah.
That's interesting.
So Instagram not good algorithm, nothing. YouTube is long form format.
addictive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
YouTube is long form, means you spend 30 minutes, 1 hour in one type of, then you say, okay, let's go to work.
Yeah.
Not stuck.
Yeah,
You have
true.
an option,
Instagram is constantly tack.
because you have no option to stop. Tick, back to back.
Yeah, you have, but it's very difficult.
Means if you see the reel, scrolling, not stop. But YouTube, and then stop, then you want to what you search, what you want.
Yeah.
So YouTube for learning is good. if I am coming in Tashkent, so before I see the where is the transport means for education like information about the Tashkent any country. So YouTube is good for the information. Same I share my experience. This is a bus stand, this is a market, this is a road. I'm going to metro. Somebody watching me. Somebody watching me, and if she and he, yeah, and she and he coming, so they have a information here. तो भाई अब हम मेट्रो से यहाँ गए। कैप्टन कैसा लगा बताना। मेट्रो से यहाँ गए हैं। ये आप एक मार्केट देख रहे हो, ताशकंद की मार्केट है ये देखो, ये बड़े बड़े ब्रेड हैं यहाँ। मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया, लेकिन ये पूरी मार्केट है देखो, बढ़िया। और यहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग तरीके के अलग अलग कल्चर के लोग मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है, डिफरेंट टाइप के कल्चर के लोग। तो भाई ये देखो, ये यहाँ पे एक ब्रेड से मिलेगा, बढ़िया लग रहा है देखो, देखने में ना एकदम। दिस इज स्वीट स्वीट स्वीट। तुम्हें यहाँ पे खंजर भी मिल जाएंगे। तो बिग मार्केट दिस साइड। देखो भाई, यहाँ तुम्हें फल मिल जाएंगे सारे। देखो ऐसा फल देख के मज़ा आ गया मुझे। दिस इज बिग मार्केट। ये देखो भाई, ये ताशकंद की बिग मार्केट है फल की। और इस तरफ फल मिलेंगे आपको, और दूसरी तरफ मिलेंगे आपको मीट वगैरह। और बहुत, ये स्ट्रॉबेरी है। दिस इज स्ट्रॉबेरी। हाँ,
This is no, it's not a strawberry. What is it?
hello, what is this?
What a raspberry.
Yeah, raspberry.
Raspberry.
Have you ever tried it?
No.
No, you don't.
Like a strawberry is raspberry.
I'm gonna buy it for you. You need to taste it. It's very nice.
No, after.
After, okay.
First explore then. I'm trying this. This is so good. This is so good. I don't know what is the name. This is
A pear?
this.
Ah, yeah. Don't you have this in India?
Have, but not so
yeah,
much.
Yeah. And also the taste is maybe a little bit different. No, you need to try the raspberries. You're gonna like them so much. A lot of people say that's the best berries that there is. Especially grapes.
भाई देखो, ऐसी होती है मार्केट ताशकंद की। और यहाँ फ्रूट इतने हैं ना, मुझे स्माइल कर रहा है। तो इतनी तरीके की मार्केट होती है यहाँ देखो। ये वेजिटेबल धनिया मिल जाएगा, धनिया की धनिया देखो। भाई यहाँ पे तुम्हें हर चीज़ मिलेगी, हर चीज़ मिलेगी तुम्हें। मतलब ये देखो मसाले हमारे इंडिया के, इंडिया जैसे दिखने वाले
Indian stuff.
इंडियन स्टफ, बट दिस इज
What is this? Is this also curry? The red one? Red curry?
दिस इज स्पाइसी चिली, रेड चिली, and this is turmeric. Turmeric very good for your injury
Yeah, I
and
take a lot.
also your skin. If you use this once in a week.
I use it at home, turmeric. But here it's like too much to carry, you know, all these kind of things. Like,
And what is this? What is this?
Clever.
Krivan.
Clever.
it's kind of dried flowers, but I never saw it before.
Very different. So like a
Chai, tea.
tea. Oh, this is tea. This is tea. Oh, देखो चाय है. This is also tea.
Tea.
This is different.
Yeah. We also have it in Belgium. You mix sometimes like a little bit of this and then one of this. You know? They have like a touch of flavor with the dried flowers.
And what is this?
What is smears?
Kismis.
Galina bouillon.
For what? Soup.
It's like salted things. Making a bouillon. How do you say it? Broth. You know, bone broth. This is like vegetable broth.
Different type of fruit, vegetable. This is the culture.
So much color.
This is the
Like
culture.
This is my
Egg.
stuff, you know.
Egg. See. This is a
Yeah, quarto egg.
third. No. I think this is a pigeon egg. This pigeon egg.
Okay.
Yes, I think. Excuse me. This is a pigeon egg.
Quarto?
Pigeon.
A pigeon? You are right.
Turtle, I think, is not legal. I think. I don't know.
I don't eat eggs.
But a very big egg. See? Like this.
We also have the ostrich eggs. Do you know it, an ostrich?
Ostrich.
The green one. If you want to have your protein in, just like
One,
five.
only one. और यहाँ आपको मसाला मिल जाएगा, यहाँ आपको अलग अलग तरीके की चाय मिल जाएगी. चाय बहुत फेमस है यहाँ की. ये सब चाय है.
Also, like,
Everything is tea.
flowers are for the tea.
Yeah.
So you add a little bit of
This is tea, complete tea. Teas. Tea.
Spice tea or
Flower tea.
smell tea.
Huh?
Smell.
And you
Oh
like
my God.
it? It's very strong. You like it or not?
Pre-workout. The smell and.
Pre-workout, yeah. It makes it very sharp.
Saffron, no?
Saffron.
Iran saffron.
Oh, perfume.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Kesar.
Iran saffron.
Kesar.
Ah, yeah, I know
This is very expensive.
Yeah,
Expensive,
it's very expensive.
Iran saffron. Iran.
Ah, yeah, it is.
How much this?
120,000.
1200.
20,000.
1220,000.
Yeah, normally it's very
But
expensive.
yeah, this
1 gram.
It's
1 gram. 1 gram.
Yeah, you see?
भाई मुझे पता नहीं.
Saffron, yes. 1 gram, 10,000.
But this is strange for me because so this is used for the tea.
Chai.
चाय. देखो भाई सारी चाय हैं.
High problem.
India. Yeah.
Yeah, Unash.
Oh. Oh my God! Yeah. Strong man. So good.
Was he not shaking the other hand because your Indians use the right hand for shaking and the left hand for...
No. Indians also use right hand. I'm busy. That is okay.
Ah, yeah, okay.
देखो भाई क्या है ये मीठा लग रहा है मुझे, मीठी मीठी चॉकलेट सी लग रही है। बर्फ़ी मिल रही है, बर्फ़ी देख रहे हो, लड्डू मिल रहे हैं, लड्डू चाहिए किसी को लड्डू, देख रहे हो भाई साहब। भाई लड्डू मिल रहे हैं, मीठा मिल रहा है, सब कुछ मिल रहा है, सब कुछ। ये देखो अखरोट। व्हाट इज दिस? एब्रिकोस। एब्रिकोस
Yeah.
पता नहीं भैया एब्रिकोस क्या होता है, लेकिन सब ये ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं। थैंक यू। नो नो नो, आई एम ऑलरेडी समथिंग इन माई थैंक यू। मतलब ये देखो सेम, दिस इज स्वीट्स।
Yeah.
Sweets.
Oh, me for me. I never saw this kind of stuff.
I have in India I have this type of thing. Yeah.
It looks so. Yeah, also these ones are really common here. I saw this also in the supermarket. I have no clue what it is.
Let's talk. Excuse me. What is this?
This halwa, sweets.
Sweets.
Sweet malai,
Like a sugar convert to this, right?
water, English malai. Like seeds. And this
Ah, yeah,
one
yeah.
seeds.
I think like a
You can taste it.
you try.
No, I'm fine actually because I'm sorry.
It's free.
Yeah, but it's. Cheers. This is the first thing I eat.
What do you feel?
Ah, yeah. It's like sugar. It tastes like sugar.
Sugar.
So like caramel.
Caramelized. Never saw it like this.
Oh, I have this.
What is it?
Like
Hi guys, can I help you?
I'm just curious about your sweets, different type of color, and
Try.
I'm already eat something. I'm already eat something.
Taste.
No.
No, they already ate. Like we already ate something. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Once.
I don't know ये क्या दे रहे हैं, but
It's for later. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
put it in my bag if it's
या भाई ऐसे लोग हैं हम, लोग बहुत बढ़िया हैं यार, लोग मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया लोग हैं जो तुम्हारी हेल्प के लिए, हर चीज़ के लिए रेडी हैं। लैंग्वेज नहीं जानते हैं लेकिन फिर भी वो तुम्हारे हर चीज़ के लिए, तुम्हारे मतलब तुम्हें समझाने के लिए, तुम्हारे मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ यार, मतलब कभी कभी मेरे पास वर्ड नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन अच्छा लगता है बाहर घूम के। ठीक है, ये भी लाइक जैसे हम चाय के साथ खाते हैं ना, पाव बन फैन, ऐसा है। देखो और ये 40, देखो इसमें जो रेट लिख रहे हैं ना, 40,000, 40,000, 60,000, 70,000, ये एक्चुअल में 200-300 रुपये समथिंग में है, ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है।
The bread you see everywhere. This kind of bread.
Yeah. You already tried this?
Yeah, yesterday, like the Iranian lady, let me taste it, and it was so good. It was straight from the bakery. It's still hot.
You eat hot.
Yeah. There's a bakery in front of our hostel, and she gave it to me when it was still hot. It was so good.
In morning breakfast, lady, our hostess, she want to selfie with me.
Yes. Yeah, because you're an influencer.
No, she don't know.
Because you're an Indian. Because you're interesting. Because you're pretty.
She told me I'm look like a Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see because you have like a broad jawline. Yeah, and maybe your hair also.
Huh?
But I would not make.
Very strange expression. You analyze my face.
You were like, yeah, I look like Ronaldo. You're way prettier than Ronaldo. Say to the camera.
Ah.
It's like a ball made of bread, you know. It's eatable.
Li-
So
like
strange, right?
like a chips.
Yeah, it's very strange. I never saw it. You can eat it. Very bizarre.
If they use this and some ice cream and very big selling, you know, because you eat it and you eat it, you know,
Yeah, you told me there's no trash.
and also
Very smart.
also coffee and something inside,
Yeah,
chocolate
you think
inside.
that it would not like soup. Yeah, there's a coating. So I love the colors.
Ah, yes.
Very nice.
If you see the
Oh, look at that. Very beautiful.
yeah, if you see the also click my photo with hair. Click my photo. Yeah.
I have also no idea of the prices here, you know, because
Because you don't know currency? What?
yeah, I know it's like it's separated by 40.
Cheap. Not so much expensive.
Here,
10,000,
everything is
20,000
very
is cheap. Yeah. This is a big market. Yeah.
All the fruits and vegetables are so good.
तो वही मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ मीट मार्केट यहाँ की। देखो भाई something I don't know what is this means. This is a liver. What is it? So yeah. What?
This is to make some broth, you know, like water. Put the bones in there. There's the most taste is in the bones. So like broth. It's like ideal.
पैर है पैर। This is why we fat, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So our fat like this. Our fat like this.
We don't have the white, you know, we do that.
No.
Because we're so strong.
Like this. ये है चिकन भाई। चेस्ट इनकी चेस्ट जो चिकन
A tongue. Like a tongue? From a cow.
ओह ये जीव है भाई गाय की।
You never saw it?
No. Like a fish.
It's from a horse. It's a horse.
Horse dick.
Horse meat. Horse steak, yeah. Sad.
This is horse dick.
I think it's like too small for a horse. I think
This.
the genitals of a horse are.
No.
I don't know. I cannot tell.
कमेंट करो भाई ये घोड़े का वो तो नहीं है।
gonna search.
Comment. What do you think? Something? Hey, where is the exit? भाई ये देख रहे हो? ये लस्सी की तरह है हमारे यहाँ की, जैसे लस्सी मिलती है ना। So good.
It's like ayran.
And you listen the music. With the music.
Do you have any idea what it is? Is it a kind of milk?
This is like a yogurt, and you some yogurt, some water,
It's like ayran actually.
and then use salt.
Very good for on a
Thi-
bicycle though.
this is-
Electrolytes.
Yeah, this is like a lassi in India.
I like lassi with
Lassi.
mango.
Yeah, yeah.
Mango lassi. Yeah, that's my favorite. But mango lassi is a little bit thicker, right?
Yeah.
Like more liquid. And they also add a spice in there sometimes. Mango lassi, what is it again? Cardamom?
But mango lassi is sweet. This is little bit salt, you know.
Yes.
So, but yesterday I drink this 2 glass.
Yeah, why not? Like in Turkey, I also drink ayran.
चलो मिलते हैं, फोन कैमरा हो रहा है गर्म।